close it up. Crew too solid, ain't no folding us. Back block vibing, yeah, we run that zone. Step in the lane, get checked real quick, get gone. Snacks on deck, but the energy wild. Bass hitting heavy, got the whole place wild. When the beat drop hard, yeah, we move like a wave. No breaks, no fear, yeah, we can't misbehave. Pull up fast, yeah, we slide, no stall. Crew too loud, yeah, we shaking these walls. Eyes on us when we step inside. We don't follow no rules, yeah, we setting the vibe. Back now, live fast, yeah, we own this night. Full throttle energy, yeah, we bringing that fight. If you with it, let's go, better match that pace. We don't play, we take over the place.
Fusi mai le mafai suga saule vai vai Upo mai sogi mai suga saule fia vai Ya oe gatai Ele galo oe no fa amai moe Ma fofau gai pea umoe Ava tu upo maso pula gona suga lo ototoe
Step in the spot, yeah, the vibe stay tight. Crew all sync, yeah, we move just right. Bass hit smooth, let it ride, don't rush. Whole place lit, but we keep it hush. Slide through clean, yeah, we keep that pace. Eyes on us when we enter the place. No stress here, just a laid back flow. Let the rhythm take over, just ride it slow. Laugh with the crew, yeah, the moment stay real. No fake energy, only vibes you can feel. From the start to the end, yeah, we keeping it cool. Just riding that way, breaking none of the rules. When the night fade out, yeah, we still on glow. Memories made in the rhythm we know. If you feel that beat, let your whole self go. 92 on the tempo, just flow with the flow.
Fusi mai le mafai suga saule vai vai Upo mai sogi mai suga saule fia vai Ya oe gatai Ele galo oe ufa amoi moe Ma fofau gai pea umoe Ava tu upo maso pula gona suga lo ototoe Ele galo oe ufa amoi moe Ma fofau gai pea umoe Ava tu upo maso pula gona suga lo ototoe